What was the very first batch of beer you ever brewed?
Fortunately, it was a West Coast IPA.
That's on brand for you.
I mean, I guess, yes. I brewed it with some friends, and I sat there and just smelled Cascade and Centennial the whole time, but
Sea hops,
I was part of it. Yep, and then after that, I mean, yeah, West Coast.
Keeping it going.
Didn't fuck around.
Love it. So Matt, what was the first batch of beer you ever brewed? Your first homebrew?
First homebrew was a ginger pale ale that my wife wanted me to brew for her. It was awful.
Ginger though, fresh ginger?
Yeah, fresh ginger.
Ginger pale ale, interesting. Yeah. All right, Luis, so we're sitting here in a brewery. It's amazing, you built this yourself. I remember when you were homebrewing, what was your first batch of beer you ever brewed?
Oh man, like the first one that we did was a session IPA that now is Bull's Back.
What is it called?
Bull's Back.
Oh, I remember that one. Great. All right, Craig, I've known you for a long time. You're a commercial brewer now. You were a home brewer at one time. What's the first batch of beer you ever brewed?
I think I tried to do a MoreBeer clone of, gosh darn it, what was it?
Blind Pig?
Before Blind Pig.
Before Blind Pig?
I might be dating myself.
Yourself.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. First batch of beer.
Batch one.
I'm going to say it was a red IPA. I'm going to call it at that.
Red IPA, love it.
Yeah. It was a red IPA.